IRScale is an innovative weighing vending machine from IRMATIC.
Precise weight measurement allows for automatic monitoring of the number of products dispensed and loaded. No manual counting or scanning of each individual item. An ideal solution for storing items of various sizes, such as screws, abrasive discs, welding supplies, tools, gloves, paints, or adhesives. Unlike traditional vending machines, IRScale allows you to take any number of products during a single compartment opening. The system automatically records the weight difference and immediately updates stock levels. Loading is just as intuitive. Simply select the product on the screen, open the compartment, and place the items inside. The system will automatically weigh the contents and update stock levels without the need for manual quantity entry. The flexible layout of compartments allows for full personalization of the device according to your organization's needs. Everything is managed by IRSYSTEM, proprietary cloud software for stock monitoring, consumption analysis, and order automation. Optimize the dispensing of small items and gain full control over their flow. Visit IRMATIC.com and schedule a presentation.